disgusting, embarrassing, filthy shower. This is our shower. I have not cleaned it in about maybe 2 weeks, embarrassingly, and now there's a disgusting build-up of mould, and that's from the drain. There's repulsive, I know, and I really need to get a clean on. As you can see, there's kind of little where children have drawn in the shower. Really need to get cleaning this. It is repulsive and I'm mortified, but I'm sharing it with you and how I get it clean. Let's get it done. Yuck, 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 yuck. Bang. Whoosh, whoosh. Yeah. Do, do, do. Do, do, do. Woo. No disgusting. Yikes. Wow. Okay, let's see how it does with this bit here. Wow. Clean, clean, clean. Time to rinse. Sparkle, sparkle, sparkle. Fantastic. So lovely and clean, clean, clean. All ready to use. Super happy with how it's turned out. And that was literally a very quick clean just to get a start on, but I really don't need to go back, so that's fantastic. Like, share and subscribe if you haven't already, and I shall see you next time. Bye!